Welcome family, it's the Velvet Locks with another video for you today. Now this is going to be one of those informative type of videos, okay, where I bring to you a new product that I've been trying, as well as something that I think you guys may really want to pay attention to, especially if you are of a certain age. Okay, now we're talking about when you start feeling those joint pains, muscles and all of that, where your skin start to lose its elasticity, where you start seeing wrinkles and you start to age, as well as the sagging in your skin. I mean, so many things happen to you when you get to a certain age. Okay, we're talking about even losing your muscle mass as well as bone. So I have a wonderful item that I want to introduce to you today, something that I've been using. I heard someone on a video mention this product and I figured this was wonderful, especially for me. Being that I am of a certain age where now my bones are delicate, my skin may lose the elasticity because, you know, you're of a certain age. Well, this wonderful product that I started using is definitely going to combat that. And you know what that is? That's this Collagen Peptide. Now, this is an awesome product, you guys. Awesome product. It's hydrolyzed type 1 and 3 collagen. It's healthy for your skin and hair, okay? It also supports bones and joints. It also stirs in your favorite beverages easily. It doesn't change the taste of your beverages or your foods, because this is also great for you to put into your foods. It says here that the hydrolyzed collagen peptides provide clinically researched low molecule weight peptides, which help support the integrity, the elasticity, the regeneration and strength of bone connective tissues, including your skin, bones, cartilage, ligaments, and intestines. This is also non-GMO, is gluten-free, keto-friendly, it's paleo-friendly, it's grass-fed, pasteurized, and GNP. I don't have my glasses, so I can't tell you what that is, all right? I've been mixing this after my morning green tea, lemon juice, and I'm ready to start maybe drinking my coffee, maybe even have another glass of tea or some orange juice. You can even put this in your oatmeal. You can put this in your smoothies. This is wonderful. You can put it in your foods. So what I do in the mornings is I will put it in, say, a glass of orange juice, 1 scoop, okay? Mix that, drink that in the morning, and I'm done. My main purpose of using this is so that I don't lose the elasticity in my skin. Being that I've been losing my weight, I've lost my weight, I've been losing and shrinking still, your skin tends to get a little shrivelly, okay? And a lot of us women may see a lot of our skin gatherings or wrinkling under our arms, whether it be on our legs, no matter where, sides, whatever. This is going to help with the wrinkling look of your skin. It's going to help and tone your skin because it supports bone health and may help restore healthy joint matrix. As far as beauty, it supports skin elasticity. It fights against visible signs of skin aging, ladies and gentlemen. With 18 amino acids, it's known to support tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. And it's gut friendly, y'all. Hydrolyzed for easy digestion and better absorption. I've been taking this maybe about 3 weeks now. I ordered this online, and this is 32 ounce. This is big. 1 scoop a day, 1 scoop in the mornings, and I'm done. And I'm looking to preserve my youthful look, okay? Whereas your skin, your hair, your body, your joints. At this age, this is where everything starts breaking down, y'all. And I ain't lying to you, okay? Things start hurting, things start aching, you start walking around, you can't bend down, you got joint pains, you got muscle pains. Well, a lot of times we don't eat properly. Then secondly, we don't take our multivitamins. And thirdly, we don't exercise. So our bones and our joints and our ligaments and our tissues, all of those things are just there. When we don't stretch them out, they ache. And we feel that old age creeping up on us because when you bend down, you feel it sometimes. You feel that pain. Well, we need to feed our bones, not just vitamin D, but we need to feed our bones, feed our bodies properly in order for us not to feel those aches in our joints and all of that other stuff. So let me just give you some wonderful benefits regarding the collagen. Now it says it can improve skin health. It plays a major role in strengthening your skin. Plus it also benefits by improving the elasticity and hydration in your skin. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, and this leads to dry skin as well as the formation of wrinkles. Collagen supplements are wonderful at slowing down that aging look in our skin by reducing less wrinkles. So if you take this faithfully, okay, you're on that road of youthfulness, okay? Because you're going to be decreasing the aging process of your skin. You're going to have more hydration. Your skin is going to look more hydrated. It's going to be fed properly, okay? Because this is a wonderful supplement to put back in what is being taken out due to just living. So collagen is awesome for your skin. Another wonderful benefit of this product right here is it helps relieve joint pain. The amount of collagen in our bodies decrease as we get older, leaving us at risk of developing degenerative joint disorders. So when we take this collagen supplement, this is going to help improve any symptoms that you may have of osteoarthritis and reduce joint pains overall. The third wonderful benefit of having some collagen in your body, it can prevent bone loss. Our bones are made up mostly of collagen, and what that does is it gives them that structure and keeps them strong. As we get older, the collagen in our body tends to deteriorate. As we lose the collagen in our bodies, we can develop conditions like osteoporosis, which is characterized as low bone density and can be linked to a higher risk of bone fractures. So if you have weak bones because of age, you know, as we get older, our bones tend to deteriorate. So why not strengthen them by adding some collagen, which is what our bones are mostly made of anyways. And this will help us not to lose our bone density, bone mass, which can lead us to be at risk of fractures. So as we get older, you see when you fall, you see the elderly people, when they fall, they're at risk of fracturing their bones because they have lost a lot of the collagen in their bones. So yeah, this is a wonderful way to add in some collagen. Another benefit of this wonderful collagen peptide is it could boost muscle mass. 1% of our muscle tissues is made up of collagen. Now this protein is necessary because this keeps our muscles strong and functioning properly. So if you're trying to strengthen your muscles while you're working out, well, this is wonderful to add into your smoothies because you're building up your muscle mass. Why not build those muscles up with the proper ingredient 1 to 10% made up of, and that's collagen. So as you're working out, put some collagen back into your body. Another awesome benefit of this collagen peptide is it also promotes heart health. It's been mentioned that taking collagen supplements help to reduce the risk of heart-related conditions. Collagen provides structure to your arteries, as well as the blood vessels that carry the blood to the arteries. Without enough collagen, your arteries could become weak and fragile, and that can lead to osteosclerosis, which is a disease that is characterized by the narrowing of your arteries. And the dangers of that is osteosclerosis has the potential to lead to a heart attack and stroke. To reduce the risk of having a stroke or heart attack, okay, heart health. This is wonderful for promoting heart health. Now I'm going to read to you the last few benefits of taking this wonderful supplement. It's great for the hair and nails. Taking collagen may increase the strength of your nails by preventing brittleness. Additionally, it may stimulate your hair and nails to grow longer. Awesome benefits, you guys. Stronger and longer hair and nails. Also, it's wonderful for the gut. The use of collagen supplements can also promote to treat intestinal permeability or leaky gut syndrome. Another wonderful benefit is brain health. Some people claim that they improved mood and reduced symptoms of anxiety. So I guess if you're having lots of anxiety, this helps the cognitive part of your body, okay? It's going to help improve your brain health. As far as the weight loss, some believe that taking collagen supplements may improve weight loss and faster metabolism. So with the faster metabolism, you're going to be burning off some weight, okay? This is awesome. This is wonderful. This is great to have in your body, especially if you're reaching a certain age. It's best to start getting your bone your muscles, your hair, your skin, everything ready and right. So this way you can enjoy life longer, okay? Healthier looking skin, youthful looking skin, longer hair, stronger bones, stronger nails, healthy mind, healthy heart. I guess I can't say enough about this, okay? I can't say enough about this. This is great. I've enjoyed it so far, and I'm going to start making this my everyday thing. Now listen, you guys, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, I am not getting paid to promote this product. I just know when I hear and see and have some healthy ideas that I want to share with you guys, I'm going to share it with you because this is awesome. I'm going to list the link down below of where I purchased this. I think I got it offline off of Amazon, where I was able to get the big gigantic thing, container. All right, but they do have different sizes. But this is great, you guys, and great product for all of us who want to look young longer, feel young longer. This is it right here. So if you have any questions about the collagen peptide, do your research. Go on Google, check it out, read up some studies on it, and if you feel that it's something that will benefit you, help you to look youthful longer, get rid of those wrinkles, okay, help to grow your hair. People of our certain age, we tend to lose our hair. No. Anything I could do to try to keep my hair growing, I'm gonna do it, all right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other things you want me to review for you, any products, let me know down below, and I will have that video out to you, okay? And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to the Locks family. So until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Bye. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.